turkey dinner candy corn. Just look at that. That's the taste test today, people. I'll tell you what the different ones are here in just a minute. Alright? Brach's turkey dinner candy. That's right, folks. Check this out. Green beans, roasted turkey, cranberry sauce, ginger glazed carrot, sweet potato pie, and stuffing. And what we're fixing to do, we're going to pour some out on this plate over here. And I'm going to mention which ones, and then they're going to pull out three of what they think is that item. And then we're going to taste test and tell you what we think of each one of them. If Papa can open the bag. All right.
Can I smell?
Ooh. First off, check out the colors. Let's rearrange the camera, and they'll do it. Hang on. The first one you need to find is going to be the easiest one to find. Green beans. Only three. Only three.
I already got it.
Only three. Y'all need to learn how to count over there.
No,
All right. The second one we need is roasted turkey.
I'm guessing it's this one.
Show the camera. I'm guessing that's the turkey. Do three of those.
Okay.
Now it's cranberry sauce. Well, that one's easy.
The red ones?
Of course that's it. Woo! This is going to be a heck of a dinner. Let's just have this for turkey dinner for Thanksgiving.
No.
All right, the next one is ginger glazed carrots.
Oh, wait.
Now wait a minute now. You gotta pay attention here. We got a sweet potato pie coming up too. I'm gonna say the ginger glazed carrots.
This is probably ginger glazed carrot.
Yeah, I'm gonna say. Oh, wait a minute. We got the ginger glazed carrots are probably the ones that have white on top. Is that what you have?
No, I got the yellow.
I think that we'll find out.
Okay.
I think that is the ginger glazed carrot.
So that's what we think.
I think this one's the sweet potato pie. Look, okay, girlies. I think that's a sweet potato pie. You got three of each in there?
I have.
It don't matter. And then the stuffing.
Wait, I don't have the sweet potato yet.
Okay. And we gotta figure out the stuffing.
Oh, she already did. No.
Which one have we not done yet?
Wait, what? You just grabbed it. Oh, wait, look. There's a white on the bottom also. This white on the bottom. Okay, these must
What's different? We need a different one.
Okay, what? We already have
You're not moving the plates around.
These are probably the stuffing. They're white.
Oh, it's opposite of that?
Yeah.
Yeah, put three of them over there. All right.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited for.
All right, so what we're going to do, everybody get a green one.
Wait, we have them right here. Green.
Everybody get a green one, and we're going to see. I'm sure this is green beans. Let's see what we think about it. Taste it. It's got candy in it, but
That is not good.
I can taste a little bit of the candy. I can taste a little bit of just spit it out. I can taste a little bit of
That is
the.
disgusting.
I can taste a little green, if you want. I can taste a little bean in it. It's got a little bean in it. I don't know if it's green beans or not, but it's got a little bean in it. Okay. Everybody, wash your palate. Now we're going with the roasted. We're going with the roasted turkey.
That's a no. Oh, no.
Roasted turkey. It'll be this one right here. Let's go. Do it. Woo!
I'm not doing it.
You got to. No, the whole thing.
Oh.
I'm going to tell y'all something right now. These bags are hotcakes. They're selling for $2.50 a bag at CVS. Watch it. And they have a $1 off coupon, so they're $2 a bag, and they're selling them on the internet for $10 a bag. And we don't know why right now. Okay, we're doing the cranberry. This one's got to be good. The red cranberry.
This smells good.
Oh. I'm glad we're outside. One thing about this, folks. Okay, candy corn has a weird texture. There's a flavor that's in candy corn anyway. You know, it has that. And then they're trying to kick these flavors in there. Okay, we're going with the ginger glazed carrot.
I think that's good.
We're expecting.
I hate carrots.
We're expecting the one with the white top and the orange bottom to be ginger glazed carrots.
Oh no. Is it good? I'm not eating it.
Why'd you take? Don't take that one. Oh, it's not. It's not. That's a sweet potato pie.
Ew, I'm not eating it.
That's sweet potato pie right there, folks. Woo!
Oh. Wait, are we eating this one?
No, that's the last one. That's a stuffing. You're eating. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and switch over with y'all. If I can find one.
That is gross.
Now I'm having the
Oranges.
ginger glazed carrot.
Good.
It's actually sweet. It's good.
Which one?
Don't even.
This one?
This one? That's the best one so far.
Oh.
All right. And the last one. Yeah, no one's just going to be grabbing handfuls of these and eating them like the regular stuff. The last one.
I'm not doing that one.
The last one is.
That's the worst one, I bet. The white
Good.
bottom.
I'm going to hold. Okay. The white bottom, orange top. This is supposed to be the stuffing.
Is it gross?
That actually tastes like it might be the turkey. Or the stuffing. Taste it. Let me know. Tell me if that one...
They all taste the same. Disgusting.
No. Tell me if that one is the roasted turkey
Don't
or the stuffing.
Get it.
Tell me if this one is roasted turkey or stuffing. I can't tell which one it is.
No.
Here,
Oh.
try it.
That's ew.
Is that the roasted... Did you just take that one? Is it the roasted turkey? It's not the stuffing? Right?
Ew.
It's
Tastes
not...
like meat.
Yeah, it tastes like meat. Yeah, it tastes like meat. Okay, so this one must be the stuffing. Okay, folks.
Don't buy them. I can't get
These are for sale because we ain't eating no more. I don't even know if the dog would eat those. Well, my census says skip it. Eat the real thing. Turkey dinner. Brach's candy corn.
Don't eat this one.
Stay away, folks. Stay away. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. Aubrey, Maddie, we'll be here for you. Come back.
I don't even think the birds
Subscribe.
will eat this.
Keep an eye on our videos. We got outdoor cooking, gardening, reviews, all kinds of stuff to entertain you. My mama says I'm entertaining. Yeah.
This
Papa,
one tastes
Papa,
like
Texas,
puke.
Papa's Kitchen. See ya.
It tastes like puke.
Go get the garbage can. See y'all.